the honor of God I turn my song, from whom I was far away and parted. And no bird's call or cry turns me back to it, nor the leafing of the branch. And I don't cheer myself at all in singing. Instead I'm angry and afflicted, for in many writings I know and see that sin holds power, and for this faith fails and iniquity rises. And I consider, marveling, how the world has fallen asleep, and how the root follows from it well, and evil rushes forward and keeps climbing. For now a man barely prizes the values if God is attacked or insulted, while to the average, deceitful and lawless, Syria remains in peace, and here the powers fight among themselves. And yet it doesn't seem to me at all that a man valiant in arms and bold, since at such a time he's failed, God should never turn back before him without shame. But the one who hath the worth of his sword, of bit blows and of his strikes, will be welcomed by his king in such a way that he'll hold himself paid, for he isn't at all sparing and giving. And since the Holy Spirit gives power to the heart of good desire, let him drive far off so it won't be near. The double deceitful of trickery, eluding those who go with God, let no one get angry about his strength. For you barely seen through great disorder of changing wills, great joy come all from any size. But since they all follow one banner and each one wants to be thanked, whoever can do more, let them be strengthened. For thus let them know that they will conquer, and those who don't go, let them help so that God may be better served. But if it's said that each one should love what in the world most pleases him, let him follow naked, he won't remain stripped for us. Wretched people, what will they say when he remembers the forgotten things and wants an account of the penitents? Those whom now they won't help, yo, see well what reason they'll give for all they've lorded over them. And their guides, by the faith I owe you, will have guided them badly and won't give them comfort or company. Know well that the harm weighs on me, but for the shame I'm bewildered that the small, petty, mixed up deceivers, who with neither God nor law nor good, should do over us what they're doing. For they foully vilified us so that you never heard in such sharpness, since the time God was born, such great peril that was so lightly born. But still I go recovering company that was far from me and banished, and my verse ends in joy that began in weeping, since the host will ride out and the help of the kings is pledged. Badly will he be served, this I grant you. The Sultan and the Emir, when they come, if he hasn't moved far off. And Count Richard is well equipped, for with his troops, whoever envies him for it, such an affair is mixed up. That is truly great, and may God be praised for it.